Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today, we're going to be going over how to do your guided practice tutorials in Photoshop. Now, they're all going to be done the same way, and I'm just going to show you how to go about doing them so you have a good place to start and a good video to reference just in case you forget in the future. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll click our link that says Photoshop Basics for Beginners. Now, what we're going to do is download the practice files at the top that says Get Files. Once we've downloaded our files to our computer, we're going to open the zip folder, and then that way we can have access to our files, and then we'll open them up in Photoshop and follow along with our videos. So the first thing we need to do is click Photoshop Basics for Beginners. That's going to take us to our main site. Now, this is going to change depending on what tutorial you are working on, but every page is going to be the same where it says Get Files at the top. So let's go ahead and click Get Files. What that's going to do is give us our download down here at the bottom of our Chrome tab. Now, for instance, if let's say you don't see this, what you'll want to do is open up your Finder. And if you click downloads, you can then see right there, you have your basic fundamental zip, which is what we're looking for. You can then just drag that file to your desktop, or if it did download to your Chrome here, you can just click, hold, and drag that to your desktop as well. Now, something I want to point out here is notice how this zip folder looks a little bit different. What this is a compressed file that's going to have a folder inside of it that has all of our files on it. It just makes it smaller so then we can download it from the internet. To open this up, all we need to do is double click. And when you double click, you'll notice that we have a new folder that opened up right underneath it. So what we're going to do next is double click that folder, and now we have all of our practice files for our basic fundamentals that we need. Next, what we're going to do is go over here to where we have our file. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start with your top video and slowly work your way down. Okay, now be sure you're using the correct file over here. In each video, it's going to tell you which one to open for each tutorial. So be sure that you are paying attention and making sure that you are opening the correct file when working on your tutorials. Some of them might be similar images or similar files, but they might have slight differences. So be sure that, again, that you're using the right file for your tutorials.